Turn one idea into 10 different products. Have you ever felt like you're constantly chasing your next digital product idea, thinking that you need something completely new every time you want to create another product? If you have, you're definitely not alone. Many people spend more time looking for ideas than they do actually creating products. The truth is, one good idea can become an entire collection of digital products. Once you've done the research and organized the information, you've already completed a large part of the work. From there, it's simply a matter of presenting that same information in different ways that appeal to different buyers. Today, I'm going to show you how one idea can become 10 completely different products, all created from the same core information. Even better, AI can help speed up much of the process, allowing you to spend more time polishing the final product rather than starting from scratch every single time.
Hey, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out.
Number 1, create an ebook. The first product is usually the easiest place to begin because it's where you organize all of your knowledge into one complete resource. Start by choosing a topic that solves a specific problem or teaches a useful skill. Then begin building your chapters around that topic. AI tools such as 𝗕ChGPT or Claude can help generate outlines, chapter ideas, examples, summaries, and even help write the ebook for you. This allows you to create a solid first draft much faster. Once you've got the information together, spend some time reviewing it carefully, correcting anything that needs improving, adding your own experience, and making sure everything flows naturally. You can then format the finished product using tools such as Microsoft Word, Canva, or Designer before exporting it as a PDF or ebook. At this point, you've created your first digital product, but you've also created the foundation for everything else you're going to build. Number 2, turn it into a video course. Your ebook already contains the information needed for a course. Each chapter can become a lesson, while the headings inside each chapter naturally become your teaching points. AI can help expand each lesson, write the script, suggest practical examples, generate quizzes, and even help organize your teaching into a logical sequence. If you enjoy being on camera, you can teach the lessons yourself. If you prefer not to appear on camera, you could use PowerPoint slides together with screen recording software, or even use an AI avatar to present the material while following your script. By creating a video course, you're reaching people who prefer watching rather than reading while using the same information you've already developed. Number 3, create an audio book. Many people enjoy listening while traveling, exercising, working around the house, or driving to work. Since you've already written the ebook, turning it into an audiobook becomes much easier than creating one from scratch. You can narrate the book yourself if you enjoy using your own voice, or you can use modern AI voice technology if that's a better fit for your business. The important thing is making sure the narration sounds natural and easy to follow. An audiobook gives customers another way to consume exactly the same information, making your original idea even more valuable. Number 4, create a prompt pack. Prompt packs have become increasingly popular because many people use AI every day. If your original idea teaches a skill, solves a problem, or helps people complete a task, you can create prompts that help your customers get better results using 𝗕ChGPT or another AI tool. For example, if your product teaches marketing, your prompt pack could include prompts for writing headlines, product descriptions, blog posts, sales pages, social media updates, or advertising ideas. AI can even help you build and test your prompts before packaging them into a finished product. Prompt packs are relatively quick to create once you've already developed the core information. Number 5, create a PowerPoint presentation. Your ebook and video course can easily become a PowerPoint presentation. Each chapter becomes a collection of slides, while each lesson becomes a series of talking points. AI presentation tools can help organize your information into slides, suggest layouts, create summaries, and even recommend images that support your teaching. PowerPoint presentations can be sold on their own, included with a course, used for coaching sessions, workshops, webinars, or business training. Because the research has already been completed, building the presentation becomes much faster than starting with an empty screen. Number 6, create a checklist pack. Every product usually contains action steps. Those action steps can become checklists. Go through your ebook chapter by chapter and identify everything your reader needs to do. Then convert those tasks into simple printable checklists. People enjoy checklists because they provide a clear sequence of actions without needing to read an entire book again. AI can help identify action items, organize them into logical groups, and create easy-to-follow lists. A checklist pack also makes an excellent bonus product or standalone digital download. Number 7, create a cheat sheet. A cheat sheet gives customers a quick summary of the most important information. Instead of reading an entire book every time they need a reminder, they can glance at a 1 or 2 page reference. This works particularly well for formulas, processes, workflows, definitions, acronyms, keyboard shortcuts, or step-by-step procedures. AI can help condense larger amounts of information into shorter summaries while you review everything for accuracy and readability. Many customers appreciate having something they can print and keep beside their computer or workspace. Number 8, create a quick reference guide. A quick reference guide expands on the cheat sheet while remaining much shorter than the original ebook. Instead of explaining every topic in great detail, it focuses on helping people quickly find answers when they need them. This type of product works well because people often forget small details while working through a process. Rather than searching through an entire book, they can simply open the guide and locate the information they need within seconds. AI can help organize the information into categories, improve the layout, and make the guide easier to navigate. Number 9, create a resource guide. A resource guide is another excellent product that grows naturally from your original idea. As you've been researching your topic, you've probably discovered useful websites, books, software, services, podcasts, YouTube channels, online communities, and other valuable resources. Instead of keeping those scattered throughout your research notes, organize them into one well-structured guide. Explain what each resource does, who it's suitable for, and why you recommend it. AI can help organize your notes into categories and create consistent descriptions for each resource while you continue checking everything for accuracy. Many people enjoy buying resource guides because they save hours of searching and bring useful information together in one convenient place. Number 10, create a PLR version. Once you've created all of these products, you've reached a point where you may want to consider creating a PLR version. Instead of selling only to end users, you can also sell licenses that allow other marketers to edit and use your material according to the license terms you provide. This opens another income opportunity using information you've already created. If you're using AI to help edit your PLR product, spend some extra time reviewing the final version before releasing it. Sometimes AI writing follows familiar patterns that appear across many AI-generated articles and reports. You may notice repeated wording, unusual expressions, unnecessary comparisons, or writing styles that don't sound quite natural. A careful review, along with your own editing and additional examples, helps create a much better finished product. Creating a PLR version doesn't mean rushing through the editing process. The better your finished product, the more useful it becomes for the people who purchase it. As you can see, one good idea can become an entire collection of digital products without needing to reinvent the wheel every time. You've already completed the research. You've already organized the information. You've already developed the knowledge. From there, you're simply presenting that information in different formats that appeal to different learning styles and different customer preferences. AI has made this process much faster than it used to be. It can help create outlines, organize information, improve wording, generate ideas, build presentations, write summaries, develop prompts, and speed up many repetitive tasks. That doesn't remove the need for careful editing, checking facts, improving readability, and adding your own experience. Those parts remain important because they help produce products that people genuinely enjoy using. The next time you come up with a great idea, don't stop after creating one product. Take a few extra minutes to think about how that same information could become several different products, each serving a different purpose and reaching a different group of customers. Over time, you'll build a much larger product catalog without constantly searching for brand new ideas, and you'll make much better use of the work you've already completed.
Hey, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? Also, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of these 10 product ideas from one idea. Also, to let you know that right here is a playlist, and that playlist is a video course. Now, if you want to watch that, it's only 7 videos long, and it won't take you long to watch. And over here is an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.